Hi guys, good evening, good evening. Can someone hear me, please? Can someone hear me? Okay, so we most likely gonna start. So guys, the we have to like adjust the time to a different time because I know that our audience are mostly in Nigeria, but we didn't take into account on time about the time zone. You know what I mean? So, what I mean by 9 p.m. was actually 9 p.m. here. Why? I'm sure we have in Nigeria we are currently on 10 p.m. But it's actually a very good time for us. But so I do not take into account. I was currently doing my evening exercise within that time when I discovered that there was a mistake in the time zone. So I apologize to that. So in case you are here, we are live on the Zoom. You could join us the Zoom. Today's meeting is free because we are not teaching you. So in case you are looking for, I'm not going to teach you how to trade. I'm only teaching you how you can automate your trade. It's a smart way of making money. That's the most smart way of making money. So apart from you trading by yourself, the only way you can get from this business is to automate. Yeah, unless if you yeah, that's the only way because in this business there's no option for investment like like treasury bill, mutual fund, stuff like that. No, there's no option for that. So the only way you can do is to automate your trade. So if you open an account, a trading account, and you're not trading it, it's not gonna uh, give you any profit or maybe loss. But the only way you could be able to scale is when you are able to either manually trade by yourself or you automate it. But what I'm trying to tell you is that things are changing. Most of the executions these days, most of them are done on automation. Yeah, most of the executions. And there are different layers of it. Then we can also we teach you a strategy of how you can be able to hedge your trade. Yeah. I think we are doing well. We are doing well. Almost all our analysis are working. And those of you following our own, they belong to our group. Are you making profit? Um, because I think so many of our trade and profit as I speak to you. So you should be making profit by now. Are you on profit? Is there anyone that is following us that's on profit? Oh, somebody say yes. This yes. Is it now? Let me check. Okay, okay, it's not now. Yeah. Is there anyone that's following us that's on profit? Yeah, I just joined the group over the weekend. Okay, somebody say yes, sir. So, okay, you are following us, so you're on profit, haven't taken any trade yet. Yeah, if you are trading by yourself, you have to. I'm talking about those who are using our automated trading system. Yeah, so we have automated trading system where other people are duplicating our trade, or I would say copying our trade or mirroring our trade automatically. So most of our trade today are on profit. Last week, some of our trade will close them on profit as well. But so that means if anyone is following us, you're most likely going to be on profit. That's why I asked, is there anyone on profit. Okay, somebody say yes, sir. That means Chupuka Uwama, probably on profit. So this one, I hear about. He said you just joined the group. I've not taken any trade yet. So if you join our group and you want to do automation, what you have to do is to just sign up account with the broker we are using and just sign up account, fund the account, then you connect, and that's all. But if you want to trade by yourself, then you are experienced trader, all you have to do is to sign up with the broker we are using and just start like picking some of our analysis and trade. But if you are not an experienced trader, you have to register in our trading school and learn how to trade. Then that one is gonna cost you money. We're not gonna teach you for free. You have to pay for it. Yeah, we have some free services like today is free. Other of our services like maybe trading or automation is also free, which is automation anyway. Then you trading by yourself is free, of course, because but if you want to learn how to trade, that means you have to pay for that one. Then additionally, we could also make some of our analysis to know to follow up with what we are doing. Yeah, we also make some analysis to follow up with what we are doing. Mm. It's always easy to make money, but just that people are not able to follow the rules. Somebody say massive profit except oil. Oh, okay. Say your massive profit. Yeah, oil we gain. The way we are seeing oil, oil we gain. Mm. And assuming you guys have a lot of money and following us on gold, it should also be on profit on gold. As you can see, the gold market is seriously gaining. Yeah, the gold market is seriously gaining. Gold is on profit. You, on JPY, it should also be on profit, but you guys are kind of speculating on us, so it's up to you. We don't want to push anybody to do what he doesn't want to do. But just know that you're missing a lot of opportunities if you keep speculating on us. Mm. So, because one of the reasons why we are the best is that we know what we are doing. Yeah, we actually know what we are doing. Anybody that's not training with us is obviously missing opportunities to make money. That's the truth. So I know how to trade, but I can I join your school to learn more? Uh, to learn more, you are indeed the best. Of yeah, you can join our school, but it's not free. You have to pay for it. We cannot teach you how to trade for free. You have to pay for it. So look at it. So this is our website. So these are the courses we teach. These are the courses. We could teach you wealth management. Of course, this is the one everybody know, forex trading. We teach you this one, everybody know that one. We teach you about futures. We teach you about option. We teach you about derivative and cryptocurrency. We teach you about gold. There are people that just want to be gold investors, and then we teach you those ones. Then we have investors course. Today, we're having this course today. It's under investors course. We teach you about equity investing. They will teach you about investment banking. Some of these courses now are taught by a SEC authorized individual or a SEC is called a SEC sponsored individual by the Nigerian Stock Exchange. SEC is one of the regulators in Nigerian capital market. They are the one that will teach some of these courses. Then we will now give you a certificate. We can also teach you cybersecurity and data analysis. You need data analysis as a financial trader. You need to know how to analyze data, extract data from this thing and be able to understand. Then we can also teach you crude oil. There's people that want to specialize in a particular area. Then we have this product as well, real estate investment, but we are not really be focusing strongly on that because most people that came to us came for these other ones, pick money and quick learning and quick trading. Then this is our course. How much you can pay us? This is a promo. It will soon, I think it has ended, but because we have not removed it, you can be able to pay and get it. But we are going to remove it any moment. We have even sent it to our IT to remove it since last week. Yeah, I think the guy, I think the guy is sick or something. He complained of something. Yeah. So immediately they remove it now, you're gonna pay us the normal fee. So if you want to join, you could join us as soon as possible. Like, let's say you want to get this particular fee. Yeah. Then this is where you can register. Then you can be able to start learning for us for a month. You can learn for us for 6 months, 1 year. We also have 1 year VIP. Then in case you don't have a capital to trade, we can also provide you a capital you can use to start trading. Yeah, we're not gonna charge you or share any profit with you. It's only the broker or the platform we are using to provide a capital that could share profit with you. So we're not gonna share any profit, and there's no challenge. You just withdraw and you trade and withdraw your profit and go home while you're learning how to trade. Mm, yeah. Um, that's it. Okay, someone sent me another question. Please, how can one take advantage and copy trade emission? Yeah, that's why we are here. It's called automated trading. It's not necessarily like copy trading. We use um, high, we use a MT5 platform to automate all our trades. So you can be able to copy them automatically. And it's one of the major ways where you can be able to make profit easily. And we also, if you check the flyer, we saw automatic trading and gold hedging, and we also have a platform that could allow you to hedge your asset classes with gold. So to copy our trade, you need to have account with our recommended broker. So this is how to copy our trade. Yeah. Um, yeah, hybrid and automated trading. Look at it here. So you can trade manually. You can trade manually on your own account, or you mirror our trade through through multi-account management platform. Then, so you maintain full control. Of course, you know a lot of you know about forex copy anyway. So because you just have to copy only the our thread into your own account, because you have to have an account which is under your name or under your control, or under your that's the account is you. Then you duplicate all our thread automatically. Yeah. Then we also have what we call what is this one? What did I did? I did something. Okay, let me close it. We also have mirror technology, which is our thread are automatically mirrored to your account through MAM platform. This MAM is MT5, multi-account management platform. It is mirrored automatically. So your account simply replicate all our strategies in real time. So if we are making money, you'll be making money. Like today, a lot of our portfolios are gaining, a lot of them are gaining. It remains good. No, it remains oil. When I say portfolio, I mean our trades, but I like to use financial terms. So our portfolio on Euro USD is on profit. Our portfolio on gold is on profit. Our portfolio on USD is on profit. Our portfolio on oil is also on profit, but it has not really triggered the way we want. Yeah, because there's a lot of things going on in the world. If by Thursday we can be able to know whether we gain this week or not. So that's by Thursday we can know whether we will gain this week or not. But we have a good performance, and this year I think it's gonna be money and vibe. And this platform also allow you to hedge with gold. That's for risk management. Instead of you to put all your money in one basket, you can hedge part of your this thing with gold. Then the broker is where is the broker? The broker, you look at the broker you will use. We are using, where is that broker? I used to see it on this website. So you will use where is it? Where is it? You use AvaTrade. I don't know whether they've removed it. You use AvaTrade. They used to put it here before. You use AvaTrade. AvaTrade will connect to this platform. Your AvaTrade account will connect to this platform. Yeah, that's where I used to see it. In case you know if you have seen it, can let me know. Maybe they have changed it. But it's AvaTrade anyway. Yeah, it's AvaTrade you will use. The broker is AvaTrade. That's the broker that will provide the trading account is AvaTrade. So the money, look at it. Yeah, look at it. AvaTrade. So a GFT5 GFTH MT5 account are powered by AvaTrade. So a highly regulated broker, ensuring the highest standard of security, transparency, and client. Yeah. So it's AvaTrade that you will use to copy all our trade. Am I answering your question? My friend that asked the question. What's your name? Mm, yeah. So you use those ones to answer to copy all our thread. So I want to put something and let's kind of interact. Mm. 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 So let me know if you have a question. Those of you following me here, let me know if you have a question. I'll be able to answer your question. Mm. So with this, it become very much easy for you to duplicate all our thread as I said. Um, we have position on here. As you can see, gold. So gold has hit 5,225. But I'm sure some of you are not copying our trade on gold because you don't have a good capital. But you're actually missing out if you're not copying our trade on gold. Then you know that we've been buying gold since last week. So it's currently at 5,225. So 229. Then that means all our accounts on gold, all of them are there on profit, all. So if you are copying them, your own account should also be on profit. All of them are on profit. So this week is actually a good week, and we started it's actually Monday. That means we started Monday in a good way. Then on USDJPY, we have lost some of them, but they all gained. They all gained with placements last week. They all gained. So in case your account copy those thread automatically, that means you should be on profit as well. Then Euro USD, today we are cashing out big. And but I told you we're expecting 2,000 people on Euro USD. We're expecting 2,000 people on Euro. What is the minimum deposit and what is the withdrawal rate? It's like here you're not a trader for you to see withdrawal rate, kind of, I don't know what you are doing. Judah, I hear back. For you to ask withdrawal rate, you don't know how the business works. That's language you will use. I will know that the person know what he's doing. For this thing, you're confused. I don't know how it works. So we cannot discuss minimum deposit for you. It's between you and your broker or the broker we are using. So you go and deposit and we put your minimum. We cannot decide your minimum for you. It's you that will decide to copy our trade or not. So we cannot know how much you are coming to copy with or something, and does not discuss you withdraw. In fact, you don't know how to trade. For you to ask a question about withdrawal rate, you don't know how it works automatically. Yeah. For me, should I say, I used to react quickly when somebody, does, how do I say it? Once I perceive you don't know the business, I don't like to discuss further with the person until the person learn how it works to avoid the person, to make sure that me and the person or we and the person were on the same page. You know what I mean? Yeah. Please, how can I take advantage? Okay, yeah, okay, I've answered that question. So please, Judah, come and learn how to trade properly so that you know how everything works. Yeah. Mm. Uh, you see, I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know how to trade. You even added monthly, bi-weekly. I just wanted to know. I don't know how it works. I don't know how it works. So for your mind, he thinks somebody is doing it for you. I'm trading my account and you want to copy. So I will not be deciding for you how you should withdraw your money. Does that make sense for you? Let's say me and you, we are using the same broker, kind of ABC broker. I'm trading. You don't know. You don't want to trade on your own. You want to trade the same thing I'm trading. I place my own buy on my own account, and your own account copy it. You copy it. I will not decide for you how you should withdraw your money. Whether you have to withdraw weekly or monthly. That means that's why I told you you don't know how it works. Come and learn, or you can not even. You don't even need to learn much about it by us. You can just go on Google, type how does automated trading works. Then you can narrow it down to maybe copy trade, PAM or MAM. Google will teach you all this thing, or you can use ChatGPT to learn about it before. Yeah, you want to copy somebody's trade. Somebody cannot be decided for you how, because the person is not trading your account. The person is trading his own account, and you are copying it. Yeah, you could copy some people. If you want to copy some people, they can allow you copy them for free. Some people give you for free. You could just copy them. And then sometimes you don't even know who they are. If you go to any broker that does copy trading, if you check their page, you will see a lot of people account. The people always post their strategy free. Some people post free. If you want to copy it, you copy for free. Some people will post it with a fee. That means if you copy their trade and gain, you have to pay them money for pay them a particular commission for that trade that you copy and again. The broker is the one to like to charge all these things. So it's not like somebody is taking custody of your account. Do you understand? So it is you and your account, you that will decide your financial planning, how you want to copy. If you're copying the trade or whatever, and the person is not doing well, you can disconnect your account immediately. That's how it works. Let's say the person account is losing more than this, and then you can kind of disconnect it and look for another person that's performing well. So how you can automate trade is one of the things you need to do to automate the trade is that try to check that person's performance. Although past performance may not guarantee future result, but you can actually check, it can help how the person has been performing, whether the person has good performance rate. Do you understand it? So on the copy thread page, some of them, you will see how they are performing. But the one stupid thing about it is that some of them are fake, or most of them are fake. That's one stupid thing about it. Most of the brokers that post a copy thread page, the one you see that is performing well, most of them are all fake. They are fake. I mean, those profits are not real. It's like boosted profit by the broker to lure you in. That's why we have to have our own group where people could copy our trade directly so that they know that, okay, this is the people they're following their strategy. So do you understand? So if you place trade and it didn't work for you, you can disconnect your account from us. Sometimes it may even mix our trade. Let's say you have small account, small money to copy our trade. It may not work. Like people copying our trade with $200, $300. I know that they cannot copy our trade. They can't. Yeah. Because we don't trade small capital. We use bigger volume, and those volume cannot. It's difficult for them to duplicate it automatically. So it become a little bit of challenge for them. Yes. Mm. So somebody said, "Let me join you." I'm not really fully live here on Instagram. I'm live on YouTube, and we are also on Zoom. In case you join me, I may not pay you direct attention because I'm actually, if you check my eye contact, I'm watching a screen where I'm sharing the trading platform and everything. But because the meeting today is free, that's why I connected here to make sure I have much audience. So I can allow you to join me live, but I may not be giving you direct audience like that. Uh, do you understand? Yeah, because I'm not 100% on Instagram live. I'm on Zoom, and the Zoom is streaming on my YouTube. And people connected, and we are discussing on the YouTube as on the Zoom. That's people that trading with us. They are on our Telegram group. They connected. Mm. So we are one of the best guys, as you can see now. So you can easily uh, um do those things. So I was talking about Euro USD. So we're expecting 2,000 pip on Euro USD. Jeto, I think Jeto copy our. Okay, Jeto is not here. So we're expecting 2,000 pip on Euro USD. That's profit. So if you are trading with if you're trading with $10 per movement, multiply $10 times 2,000. That should be around $10,000 profit. Yeah, yeah, you make $10,000 profit using $10 per movement. Yeah, yeah, you make $10,000 profit. Let me calculate it to calculator. That's what we're expecting to gain. It may not all gain this week. It may gain from now to the end of this month. Just keep holding it till that month. You gain 10,000. We're expecting 2,000 people. Although we have gained some of them already. Yeah, okay. Oh, you make $20,000 profit with $10 per volume. Because $10 times 2,000, that's $20,000 profit. And if you're using $20 per lot to trade that times 2,000, that means you will make 2,000. That is, you make $40,000 profit. But it's not gonna continue. It's not gonna hit this week, oh, but because some of you are so impatient. Yeah. Today we have gained so many. Today, let me check how much we have gained today. I think we started last week. No, no, we started today. We started today. We started today. Let me check how many people we have gained. We have gained. Okay, it's not really much. That means the 2,000 people is still fresh. From here to this point. Oh, I think I made a mistake. It's not 2,000 people. Well, okay, the platform I used to calculate before wasn't this platform. It was different platform. So we're expecting a drop here, which is 386 pips, and another drop to this point. That's 492 pips. So this price is four decimal point. So the other one is more, is 5. So the pip value there is more, like it multiplies than this one. So it's not 2,000 pip we're gonna target. So this will be our first target, which are average 400 pips. Then the second target will be here. So if you are using, let's say, let me do the calculation again. Mm, yeah, here will be 469 pips. Yeah, let me abbreviate to 500 pips. We're expecting 500 pips. It's not 2,000. Unless if you want to like multiply the profit, like that you could duplicate, like, you know what I mean. You could have the same trend on Euro USD, have the same thing. You can have like two trades on Euro USD. The same thing is happening on British Pound USD. Same thing is happening. And opposite of it is happening on USGP. But USGPY may not have much volume. I told you, because the world is gonna rush to Asian market as a safe haven, the way they are rushing to gold. So $20 times 500. That'd be maybe around five, okay, $10,000. Yeah. If I use $2 volume, which is $20, two lot, which is $20, that would be $20. 20 lot, which is $20, that would be $10,000. Then if you're using 10 lot, which is $10, I'm not talking about $10 capital. Some of you that don't want to learn anything. You may be hearing me on Instagram now and get confused. That will have $5,000 in case this market hit, but it's not gonna hit this week. We're hoping from now to the end of this month, our first week of March, it will hit, because first week of March the market will rebound. Okay. Mm, mm, okay. So that is it. Mm-hmm. Um. But we have similar thing on Britain Pound USD, but it's not on the same. It's not the same volume. The volume we're gonna get here will be a little bit smaller than the volume you will get on Euro. Euro is our major market because Euro is gonna go weak. Euro is gonna go weak potentially. So gold is doing well, and oil is another thing that will cash out. We're expecting oil. I told you guys we're expecting oil. You know what is happening on oil? I don't know whether you're following me correctly. We're expecting oil to crash to 62. If if the peace deal, if the peace deal work, they have a meeting on Thursday. They have a meeting on Thursday. the Iran and the United States. So if the peace deal work, like if they're able to find a solution, the price of oil will drop. And that's also why the market doesn't want to go up again. Yeah. So if you are selling, you are right. If you want to buy, you're also right. The only thing that will make the oil price go up is one, if the peace deal between Iran and the US fell on Thursday, then the US may strike Iran. And if they strike Iran and Iran retaliate, the price of oil will continue to go up. But there are also some other things we analyzed today. Um, um, the United States doesn't want oil price to go too much high, and the only reason why the oil price will go up is that his ball waterways, where the 20% of oil trade passes through, which is controlled by Iran. So Iran most likely will block it, and their blockage is not going to be permanent. It will be temporary because of Iran allies, economic allies like China, also trading oil with them. Their vessel also passes through the same channel. So even though the block it may be temporary, which may not, which will also, if they open it, the market will continue going up. So, for example, remember what happened last time when the nuclear site was bombed? Oil went up, but later came down. It came down when they discovered that the attack was not specifically targeting on economic activities. So economic activities was allowed to flow freely. It was more of military might between the US and Iran. So the economic activity was not fully affected. So yeah, so what I'm saying, yeah, straight hormones. So what I'm saying is this. The strike within the Iran and the US may also happen, but oil may not also go up because the world, all these guys, they are strategic enough that they still want to make sure that they do what they want to do and it will not affect the economy. Yeah, last time they were only targeting military site. They were not targeting oil areas. Another reason why oil will go up is that if Iran began to target oil facilities, you do understand? If they begin to target oil, US oil facilities, then it will cause the price to go up. But if they started their military battle or whatever, and they're not touching the economic areas. Trade can go freely. They're just targeting the military power within themselves. That means the market may not also go to that 70, that $90, or may not go up that much. That means it will also go down. Another reason why it may also go down, that's I'm talking about reason now for going down. I've finished talking about why it will go up. Why it will go down is we heard that we got in some details that United States and their allies may also tap into the oil reserve to supply more in the market to stabilize the market. Yeah, because they say they don't want it to go up to $100 per barrel. They want it to remain around $60 because if oil should go up and they are fighting and their enemy who they are fighting is sponsoring their own war with oil, that means the enemy will be selling more and they can be able to fund themselves. So from what I read today from Bloomberg, the analyst there was telling us that the US even want oil to remain around $60 per barrel. They don't want it to be more than that. So now, going with that, there are most likely going to be a sharp drop around 62 or 63 if they are able to find a solution on the peace deal on Thursday. Do you understand? So if they're able to find a solution on the peace deal on Thursday, the market most likely going to drop. So if it drop, we cash out more. We'll cash out more. Um, we will cash out more if you drop. We cash out more if you drop from this price. I think we started selling around this price. That means we'll be expecting 300 pips first. So on Brent and WTI will be 600 pips. That will what to be expecting to 600 pips. So on the if you're using $10 to trade it, I'm not saying $10 capital. Some those of you that don't want to learn, let me repeat it again so that you won't go and put $10, thinking that $10 can trade oil in. I'm talking about volume, the contract you are holding or the unit you are holding. So if you're using $10 to trade it, it multiply $10 times 600. So that will give you $6,000 profit. So if you're using $20 to trade it, you multiply it $20 times 600. That will give you $12,000 profit. Then if you're a big boy and you are using $50 to trade it, you multiply $50 times 600. That will give you $30,000 profit. So you can even buy your first car. As I speak to you on my last week, how you can be able to buy your first car in trading is to spot out potential deals in the market and able to strike on it and make money and go out of the market. And all these potential deals does not come out all the time. So there's a potential time you can be able to trade and make good amount of money like that. And this is it's a calculated stuff. But that's why I said even now, as I tell you, sellers has more advantage than the buyers in the market. Sellers has more advantage than the buyers because when we say it's gonna go to 90, it's like expectation. But certainly, when we say it will drop, it's definitely gonna drop. That one is certain. Investors will always sell out quick than than buying more. The demand is very low, and it's easy for any market to drop than to rise. So do you understand? So if you are following our trade on oil, that means you're gonna cash out as well. As you are cashing out, you're gonna cash out as well. It's as simple as that. Yeah, yeah. If you're trading manually, it's up to you. Then you definitely also we cash out on your own. Then if you are a student learning how to trade, you're also gonna also cash out using those analysis. Our own is to help you tell you where the world is going. Either you get there first or you follow the world to get there. Yeah. So basically, all our five analyses are perfectly working well. It's up to you, the one you can grab. Yeah. Any question, guys? So any question? Okay, let me check because I'm streaming on another platform. Let me check if I have a question there. Okay, so there's no question yet. So I think this is why tomorrow we're gonna have direct we're gonna have a weekly outlook tomorrow, and on Wednesday we will have another trade on oil. These ones are they're not free training. They're not free, so we're not gonna stream on any platform. It's only on Zoom. We're gonna do that for those that are trading with us. So they will be with us on Zoom. Yes. So in case you have a question, please feel free to ask us. And if you are watching me from any of this platform, yeah, you could look around. If you see our Telegram, you can join our Telegram. That's where we make the major announcement. You can be able to be receiving those announcements on our Telegram. Sometimes we can post announcement on other platforms like maybe Instagram or LinkedIn, but we are very much active on Telegram. Because Telegram is already is the people who know that this is people, this is our community of people who are trading with us through internet. But Instagram, anybody can join you, can join your can follow you on Instagram, but doesn't is the person necessarily is not part of your community. Yeah, so that is why. Another if it's a video announcement, we used to post on YouTube sometimes because people following us on YouTube can see what we are doing and they can be able to join us there. So so let me check the last one about what we're gonna do this week. The Supreme Court will be using lower Trump. Trump, I can use license to do absolute treble things to foreign countries. Okay. So Trump is threatening a lot of countries. Um yeah. Also on Wednesday, we're gonna have crude oil inventory. That's next tomorrow. And it will be by sorry. And it will be by 3:30 p.m. Yeah, the market has stabilized as much. Yeah, so about why tomorrow, Tuesday, we're gonna have a weekly market outlook where we discuss potential market opportunities for the week. Yeah, and we still gonna continue from where we stop in terms of on that Wednesday, we're gonna also have live trade on gold. Yeah, so guys, this is what I have for you now. If you have any question, feel free to drop it for me. I'll be able to answer you. I was busy, I was seriously busy today in the office. I quickly have to come back to make sure I give you this meeting. Yeah. Um, thank you so much and do have a good night.